We're doing this. That's my intro. Then it's just gonna start. First, I'm gonna take the motherfucking transition color right there. I don't want anything to be planned because...
We'll talk at least.
Because I want everything to be natural, you know? Blend that shit out. Now you're gonna take a dark brown on the outer corner. Any fucking brown is good. Then we're gonna take a fucking red because it's Valentine's Day. Right in there. Fuck yeah.
Got you.
We're gonna take that red right under there too. Can't see what I'm doing. And then put the dark brown on the outer corner and connect that biz. We're gonna take a black right on the lash line. I don't know why I'm leaning forward so much. I highlight the inner corner and then we're gonna be done. Super easy V-Day look. Put it right here too. I'm just gonna do my bottom lashes and then add fake lashes. You don't have to put falsies on if you don't want to.
Well, I'll give you an explanation right now.
Oh shit, here we go.
Well, we here, us Americans here, we like to call it Arkansas and Kansas because back in the day, they had the Ark, the Noah's Ark was in Arkansas, and then in Kansas they didn't have Noah's Ark, so all the animals died there, and well, we just kind of moved on and lived in Arkansas. So that's the end of the story. That's all you need to know. Now you can screw off and go back.
So it's not her Kansas or his Kansas, it's our Kansas?
It is our Kansas. No.
No kidding.
No, our.
It's like the date night look. And then it's gonna turn into a crazy fucking my neck is gold for no reason look.
Sweet. Well, what do you want, man?
I just wanna do my makeup on camera. Hurricane tortilla. I don't really know anyone that would wear this on a Valentine's Day date. Cupid's dead or something. This is Cupid's vendetta. We're gonna add some eyeliner to the top of the lashes. For the date night part, we're just gonna do a natural lip. I don't know why I'm looking in the camera. I'm gonna top it off with lip gloss. Okay, now's the fun part. I'm taking the Mayron metallic powder and mixing it with the Manic Panic Glam glue. I'm gonna put it all right there. Okay. Maybe we'll add add some glitter. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do some crazy shit. Red blush or shadow. Just like fucking go in there, man. Oh shit. Just fucking roll with it, dude. Just rolling with it. Oh, I think I'm gonna do my ears too. Yep. We're just creating
Because
art.
People are expecting you to like do everything perfect.
You hear that?
Isn't that like commercial?
Well, this is like real fucking life, yo. Sometimes, you know? Okay, outfit change because we're gonna drip this gold, okay? Like let that dry. We're gonna take some red glitter. Mix glitter glue right there. Some pink. Take off this lip. We're gonna make it red. This has been Spade reporting to you live from Long Beach. You can find me on Instagram at Spade or Facebook, Twitter, same name, same person. Rolling out!